So here is another good cusp. Alright, that's it. A little bit wider. Yes, put the wider here like this. Okay, trying to make the good premolar layer cases, which is 4 crowns. Patient has the existing press crown. They want a good, nice, natural, lifelike restoration. I put a little bit warm color, just slightly. Outside is OM3, but inside the B1 is okay. Okay, it's good. Now I'm building with the OM3. This is Lisi. Okay. So building the cusp and the lingual contour will be pretty much the same, slightly shorter than the other. So continue build up with the dentine. Okay. Just primarily. Okay. So this is a little bit big. Cut it with the side. I like the height of contour. Roll the way or cut it. So let me take it out this first in case. Just a little trim it. Just a little tiny bit. Yes. Alright, it's good. Now I would like to look at the bite. The bite is too tight, so I'm going to a little bit reduce more. Not too bad, okay? So what I do at the building with the, just cut it a little bit, just a little bit. It's a little bit high, I saw that. Okay, take it out. It's good. Alright, just a little down. Just a little bit cusp. Like this. Okay. Put it down too. Apply the enamel blue. Which is enamel booster. Here's a one, the bigger. Check the bite. Alright, I see. Contact. Okay. Here. Cusp. Gentle bite. A little bit hitting here. That's fine. But we're going to engage with the marginal ridge. have to take it out. But this pretty much is done. Now second, this. Add it. Same thing. Enamel. Okay, I just need, here's a heating. Fine, just need a little bit touching it. Okay, just this. We're going to make a nice margin of each. And here. After took it out the cases, I'm going to add with interproximal different enamel like this, right? So here's a little step down, step up. We're going to make even eventually. Okay, that's the first start build up. Alright, so now let's cut it. Okay, this stage is more important. Take it out. At the same time, or different way, fine. Okay. Okay, this is first. So for inconvenient, holding with the scissor, tweezer, then I add it. Steer. That stage is very important to me, so I can make the proper interproximal contact along with the different enamel materials. Don't build too much. Build appropriately, like this. All right. Then I need moisture. See, here's an under contour. Add a little bit. All right. Now I add with just UP4 on top of that. 58 is okay. Alright, so keep contact. Alright, now the other side, just add a little bit dentin. Okay. So here's lack of room here, but still I have to increase the just a little tiny bit. Same thing here. Just tiny bit. Enamel board. Okay. The cusp. Remember, here's a lack of room. Bring down. What I have to do here. this. Right, just a little tiny bit here. So here is another good cusp. Alright, that's it. A little bit wider, yes, put the wider here like this. So this is the practical build-up for Premolar, which is live case. Check the contact, and then here is a lack of room, so do not add more. So I don't grind anything. You see the lobe. Alright, that one is good, so I can minimize my high speed. Okay, so after fire, you see the contour. It's nice contour. Okay. The only thing is cusp tip. Yeah. So if I need to, just a little, you don't have to go all the way. That's it. Just take it out this. Now I make tap tap and then fire. Is the other one premolar. This is the second premolar applied. Make sure the occlusion contact is not too high, but at the same time that building with the cusp and the marginal ridge with a different layer. Like this. Okay. Same thing, contour, facial contour, just little lobe design. Okay. Good. Okay. Erasure. Now I can add with a little bit second build up like this. Okay. A little higher, down. Just a little bit here too. Open. Okay, dissection, cusp. This is another low. This marginal ridge, secondary group, sorry, like this. Cool. Now tap tap 3 or 4 times. And then I can fire it. So I don't have to grind too much regarding the groove, especially. So I don't like that with high speed, just like this. Okay. You don't have to go all the way down. And then tap tap. Till ready. Okay, this is a live case. It finishes contact and then occlusion. The final glaze too. So patient has the reaching BL3 color here. They want a little bit layer, nice color. So not only this, we can check this exclusive movements. Okay, not only shape and height of contour and bulk corridor, and also we give them the secondary groove, which is our build up. Just finish with a pinpoint, and the same thing the other side. This is good. This is a little bit under because I don't want to make it really high. And then this is BL3 color with the translucency. See the movement. Okay, so whenever I try the dye, so you see this a little bit better. It's good. Color is better. Here too. It's a little bit tricky here. This one is erupted just like facially. So I want them to try and this one is better. Okay, and then positioning this is better. Support is finish is for this easy, predictable, practical build up, bleaching, the finishing.